Okay, this is Matt and Aiden, and we are going to try to teach the song Tu Gracia. Vamos a enseñar la canción Tu Gracia. Yo te amo. Okay, los acordes son G, English G, G. Aiden's gonna play G, just so you remember, one hand. Okay, so G and C. There's also E minor. And that's all we have in the song, those three chords. Am I missing any? No. Okay, so now we're going to go through the song, and the first level will be easy level, right hand only, or you could use your left hand and just play a simple 3-note chord. And let's start with the intro, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go to the verse and I'll sing. Tu gracia me basta, tu nombre me llena, tu sangre me limpia, y en tu presencia hay vida. Tu pre-coro. No hay nadie como tú, nada se compara a ti, Jesús. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tú me abrazas con tu amor y me llenas de tu paz, Jesús. Y yo te amo, te amo, yo te amo, te amo, yo te amo, solo a ti, Señor. Alright, that's the whole song, and we could do variations on that to repeat the different parts of it. And that might have been a little bit faster than we'll do it, but that's good. So that was level, we call it level 1 or basic level. Level number 2 will be 2 hands, and on the right hand you'll do the chord. You want to demonstrate that with, let's say, G. And the left hand, you also do the chord, but you leave out the middle finger. That's called fifths. You want to demonstrate that? Right, so together. Yeah, don't play like that, but that's so that Aiden's just showing you so you know how to do it. Okay, so let's do the whole song that way. Now, Aiden, would you recommend that you would hold the left hand down for the entire chord and then pulse the right hand, or what are we going to do there? Would you be like,
let's just hold
1, 2, 3. You wouldn't be like, you would do like, Tu gracia me basta. Let's try that. That'll be level 2. Ready? 1. Let's do a little slower. 1, 2, 3. Intro. G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's every 4 beats. 3, 4. Everything. 2, 3, 4. See how Aiden gets ready. He's getting ready now. So it's the hand of experience. Alright, let's sing it. Tu gracia. Tu gracia me basta. Tu nombre me llena. Tu sangre me limpia. ti, Señor. Los intermedios. Solo ti, Señor. At the end, that was just ad-lib there. That was extra, not planned. Okay. Now, if you're like, man, this is the easiest song ever, 3 chords. How can I make this a little more interesting? Aiden, what would you recommend?
On the G chord, we can maybe add a couple more notes.
So show that. So that's just the right hand is different.
Yeah. So this is the only hand that's different. Right? Instead of just playing a vanilla G, we're adding this A into it. So it gives a little more flavor to the chord.
Oh, that's more beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe even basic people could try that, right?
Yeah.
Right.
If they want. And
would you play it every time, or would you go back to the regular chord? Because it's like basta.
You could do it every time. You could even. You don't always have to play the 3rd finger. You can leave it out if you want, or you can add it. So you kind of have 3 variations.
Regular G, vanilla. Add a finger.
Add the A. Add the A with no
replace. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what about the C chord? How would you change that one? Anything?
We could do.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. This is only 4 notes, so it's going to be a C, G, A, and a D.
So that's when you get to C.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this actually it's actually pretty lazy because you're just not even moving your right hand from C to G.
You're actually playing less notes on this hand.
So advanced in this case is actually less work.
But less notes can sound better sometimes.
Yeah.
E minor we can do. So I'm adding this instead of playing E, we can play a D here. So it's a G chord if you think about it. You're still playing that G.
Okay.
And then you just play
mixing up the order.
Yeah. And that's it. That's all the chords.
Okay, so let's go through that one, and Aiden will try to stick with that and not go crazy fancy on us with his own stuff. All right. So another thing that you can do, advanced, if you feel like you're advanced, is you can, instead of playing your fingers all at the same time, you can lay them down in rapid succession. Let's show that. Yeah, it's a little more like strumming a guitar. The notes come in like.
You can even do it on just a normal chord. It doesn't have to be
any
anything.
chord can do it. It's a way to add a little flavor, a little style, emotion to your playing. So why don't you go through those 3 chords again? Let's do the G, C, and E minor. G, and C, and then E minor.
Shit. What did I do? Oh yeah.
And then back to G. And then back to C. Right, and so advanced people, you kind of have the opportunity, the option is your own art, according to your own artistry, to decide if you want to do one of these fancy chords or if you want to just put a regular one in. Don't overdo the fancy. But we're going to play it here with all fancy, just so you get the idea. And we're not going to do the pulsing, just going to be holding it. All right. So let's do from the intro. 1, 2, intro, and G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Verse. Gracia me basta, tu nombre me llena, tu sangre me limpia, y en tu presencia hay vida, y no hay nadie como tú, nada se compara a ti, Jesús. Tú me abrazas con tu amor y me llenas de tu paz, Jesús. Yo te amo, solo a ti, Señor. And one thing that's important too, advanced people, is we should take this camera and show that there's something going on there at the bottom. It's called the pedal. You should be pressing the pedal, the sustain pedal.
Then you can hold it. And
Right, that's how he can move his fingers without it just dying off.
You don't want him to overlap.
Yeah, you pick up your foot and you're going to change the chord. So if you don't have that pedal, well, eventually you should get one.
Yeah, you pick up the foot right as you're about to.
If you don't have one yet, pretend you have it, and it'll sound better when you do. Or if you think it's too much, then don't worry about it. Got options there for pedal practice. I think we'll call that a video, and you all practice up, find the part, and rewind your video and play along, and find the PDF so that you have something to look at if you need it. Write out the chords on a piece of paper, and let's do the best we can here.